Hi children, good morning. In the previous video, we discussed the ratio on applications. In this ratio on applications, we have learned ratio and proportion. In this video, we will extend this proportion to direct and inverse proportion. Direct and inverse proportion. What is direct proportion and what is inverse proportion? Let us consider two quantities x and y. Here x increases, y also increases. If x decreases, y also decreases, then x and y are said to be in direct proportion. For example, here cost, here number. In cost of pence, number of pence. In here, 1 pen cost 5 rupee, mean 2 pen 10 rupee, 3 pen 15 rupee, 5 pen 25 rupee, like that. Cost in rupees here. If number of pens are increased, mean their cost also will increase. In 1 pen 5 rupee, 2 pen 10 rupee, 5 pen 25, 10 pen 50 rupee, like that. If cost of 1 pen increases, mean if you have more money, you will get more pens. If you have less money, you will get less pens. Mean x increase, x mean cost of pens, y mean number of pen. X increases, y also increase. X decreases mean y also will decrease. Here two quantities are said to be directly proportional. The symbolic form of this one is x is directly proportional to y, which means x equal to some k into y. Here k equal to x by y. Mean the ratio is the same. On subject here 5 is to 1. 10 is to 2 is nothing but 5 is to 1. Mean 5 is to 1 equal to 10 is to 2 equal to 15 is to 3 is equal to 25 is to 5. Okay, the ratios are equal. Equality of ratio is nothing but proportion. That's why these are also considered as a proportion. Okay, the ratios are same. The equality of ratio is nothing but proportion. That's why they are in direct proportion. Direct proportion. Next. Here, inverse proportion. Inverse proportion. Consider two quantities x and y. But x increases, y will decrease. Y decreases or x decreases, y will increase. Then you can say that x and y are in inverse proportion or indirect proportion. Inverse proportion or indirect proportion. Here, number of men, number of days. Okay, here 40 men can complete in 3 days. For a particular work. For example, 20 members came in, it will complete in 60 days. 6 days, sorry. For example, only 10 members came in, it completes in 12 days. Okay, here the inverse ratios. For example, here see, x is said to be in inverse proportion. And you can say that x directly proportional to its inverse, in 1 by y. and x equal to some k into 1 by y, which means k equal to xy. K equal to xy. Mean the product is same. 40 into 3 equal to 20 into 6 equal to 10 into 12. 120, 120, 120. Here the product is same. There the ratio is the same. If you equal the products, you can write it as 40 by 20 equal to 6 by 3. 40 by 20 equal to 6 by 3. Means 40 is to 20 equal to 6 is to 3. So inverse. That's why they are also considered as proportions. My x is said to be directly proportional to y, mean x equal to some k into y. K is a constant here. K equal to x by y. The ratio is same in direct proportion. In inverse proportion, their product is same. Okay. Here, while coming to the exercise 3. While coming to exercise 3, we have the first one, the length of a battery enlarged 50,000 times attains a length of 5 centimeters. In here, 50,000 is to 5. Then 20,000 is to what? Okay, 50,000 5 in 20,000 mean more. Then we will get more value, less mean less value. Mean they are in direct proportion. So by using a proportion, we can find x value. Next, observe the following tables and find the value of x is directly proportional. If x is said to be directly proportional to y, the ratio is same. Mean you will get the same ratio. So here 3 examples they gave: 20, 40, 70, 34, 14, 28, 11, 22 like that. Here 6, 4, 10, 8, 14, 12 like that. 5, 15, 8, 24, 12, 36 are there. You need to find the ratios. If they are same, they are in direct proportion. If they are different, they are not in direct proportion. In this way you can say. Next, third, Sushma has a road map with a scale of 1 centimeter representing 18 kilometers. She drives a road for 72. Mean here 1 for 18 she drove, x for 72. How many kilometers for 72? So we need to find the value of x with the help of proportion. Next, here percentages taken. Percentages. What is meant by percent? What is meant by percent? If you observe the percent, out of 100. For every 100 also can say. For every 100 or out of 100. Percent is taken from percentum. Percentum means out of 100. The meaning of percentum is out of 100. The word percentum taken from Latin. This one. Percentum. Per mean for. Centum mean century. Mean 100. For every 100 is nothing but percent. So here The symbol of percentage is this one. The symbol of percentage. If for example 2%, they gave me 2 out of 100. 1.6% mean 1.6 by 100. 1/4% they gave in 1/4 by 100. Percent mean out of 100. Percent mean out of 100. Percent you can write it as a fraction as well as in decimal form also. 2% means 2 by 100 fractional form. Here the decimal form is 0.02. Here 0.016. Here 3.14 by 100. 13 by 400. The fractional form. Then ratio also can say. Okay, percentage as a fraction and decimal. Next, percentage of a given number. Percent of a given number. Then 2% of x equal to 2 by 100 into x. Percent of given number is 2 by 100 into x. Here, before we are going to learn percentage of a number, first of all conversions. Here 5% is given. How many convert in terms of fraction? Means 5 by 100. Fractional less means simplest form as 1 by 20. 1 by 20. Here 1.8%. They gave me 1.8 by 100. In 18 by 1000. In 0.018 in decimal form. Fractional form enough means here 9 by 500. 9 by 500. This way you can convert the given number. For example, 5 by 4 they convert it to percent. 5 by 4. Percent given in by 100. We need to convert in terms of percent mean into 100. 25 is 125%. 125%. Okay, here half. In half into 100 means 50%. Okay, here some standard units we have. Some standard units. What are the standard ones? Here 1 by 2 equal to 50%. 1 by 4 equal to 25%. 1 by 8 equal to 12.5%. Okay, next 3 by 4 equal to 75%. 1 by 3 equal to 33. 1 by 3%. 2 by 3 equal to 66. 1 by 6%. Okay, these are all percentages. Reliable standard percentages. This is all. Okay, 3 by 8 means 37.5%. 4 by 8 is nothing but half. Okay, 5 by 8 62.5%. 6 by 8 is nothing but 3 by 4 only. 7 by 8. 7 by 8 means 87.5%. Like that. Okay, these are the required percentages. Some standard percentages. This. Next, percentage of a given number. Percentage of a given number. in 2% of 10 rupees. 2 by 100 into 10. 1 by 5 in 25. Okay, next. 15% of 25 kgs. 15% of 25 kgs. Mean 15 by 100 into 25. So here 4 times 15 by 4. And here 3 4s 12. Otherwise into 1000 grams. Here 250 3750 grams. Mean 3.75 kgs. 3.75 kgs. Okay. 12% of 2 days. 12% of 2 days. Here 12 by 100 into 2 days. 2 days nothing but per day 24. 2 days 48 hours. 48 hours. Okay. Here 48 into 12. 12 8 96. Here 48 and 57. 576 by 100. And 5.76 hours. 5.76 hours. $5.76. Okay, these are the simplification forms of a given percentage of a given. Next. Next, percentage of a number. Percentage of a number in terms of other. Percentage of one number in terms of other number also we can say. Percentage of one quantity in terms of other quantity also we can say. Mean for example 3 rupees in 15 rupees. What is the percentage of 3 rupees in 15 rupees? Here first quantity by second quantity into 100. In terms of percentage of one quantity in terms of other we are saying here first quantity is 3, second quantity is 15 out of 100. So here 5 times, 5 here 20 times. So 20%. 3 rupees in 15 rupees is 20%. Here 3.5 kgs in 50 kgs. Percentage of 3.5 kgs in 50 kgs. Here first quantity 3 1 by 2 by second quantity 50 into 100%. Here now means 7 by 2 into 50 into 100. 7%. Okay, 3.5 kg in 50 kg is 7%. Now these are the important measurements first. In the first percentage of one quantity in terms of another quantity. Percentage of one quantity in terms of another quantity. Okay. Next, increase percent, decrease percent. Increase percent. Increase percent. Increase in value by original value into 100. Decrease percent. Decrease in value the original value into 100. Okay, person's salary is increased from 1250 to 1500, 12,500 to 15,000. My person's salary increases from 12,500 to 15,000. How much salary was increased? If they ask. So here 12,500 and 15,000. This one old one, this one new salary. Here increase in value. How much the value was increased? 2,500 increased by original value from 12,500 to 15,000. In 12,500 is the original value into 100. Okay. Here 2 zeros cancel. Here 125. 2 times mean 250 0. Meaning 20% of the salary was increased. 20% of the salary was increased. 20% of the salary. Okay, 20% of salary was increased. Next, decrease percent. Okay, the article price decreases from 500 to 450. Okay, this one old, this one new. An article last year price 500, it was dropped to 450. Then what is the decrease percent? We now decrease value 50 rupees. Original value 500 into 100. 0, 0, 0, 0 cancel here 5 10 times. 10% of the value of the article was decreased. 10%. 10% value decreased. Increased value, decreased value. In your textbook, by coming to the textbook point of view, here in a school, X 48 students appeared for the 10th class examination out of 36 passed. Out of 48, 36 passed. In another school, Y 30 students appeared, 24 students passed. Okay, if the district education officer wants to give an award on the basis of pass percent. Okay, here 36 by 48 into 100, first problem. Second one 24 by 30 into 100. So, which is the more value that need to be get award. Okay, here the last year cost 1000, article was 5000, this year goes down to 4000. What is the percentage of decrease? Now only we discuss that. Next, Sri Jyoti has a basketball full of bananas or this mangoes, 50% are bananas, 50% are 50%, 50 mean bananas, 15% of oranges, then what percentage of mangoes? Percent mean out of 100, 50 are bananas, 15 are oranges. The remaining percentage are mangoes. Fourth, 64% plus 20% plus X percent equal to 100. So 100 minus 64 plus 20. Okay. On a rainy day, out of 150 students in a school, 25 are absent. Mean 25 are present. Find the percentage of students absent from the school. Next, out of 100 votes in a constituency, 60% voted. Find the number of people voted in the constituency. In 60% of X equal to 60% of 12,000. You need to find. Okay. Like these problems they ask me here, so we can do easily. Okay. In this another model also we have. There is after increase what is the value, after decrease what is the value, but doesn't requires here. In detail we will discuss later. Here a straightforward point of view only we are discussing the problems. Okay, in this video we discuss direct proportion, inverse proportion. Direct mean x is directly proportional to y, x equal to some k into y, k equal to x by y. Here ratio is fixed. Now x is inversely proportional to y, mean x is directly proportional to 1 by y. Mean x equal to some k into 1 by y. Mean here k equal to xy. The ratios in here product same. When the two quantities are said to be in proportion, x increases, y also increases. X decreases, y also decreases. Here x increases, y decreases, x decreases, y increases. Okay, here distance is same, speed increases, time also. See here, distance constant mean speed increases, time decreases. Speed decreases, time will increase. If the distance same. If the speed same mean more distance, more time it will takes. Less distance, less time it will takes. Now, the relation between distance, time and speed. Here distance constant, remain constant mean speed increase, time decrease. By walking, by cycling, by car, by bus, like that. By walking will take time, will take the more time. By using car, it will take less. Okay, for example, if you want to travel to bus stand from school onwards, by walk it will take 30 minutes. By cycle it will take 20 minutes. By car it will take 5 minutes only. Okay, time matters. Okay, one increases, another one decreases, inverse proportion. Next, if the speed remains constant, distance and time. In 10 minutes, we will go to bus stand. In another 10 minutes, we will go to another village. In another 10 minutes, another one. Another 10 minutes. In 30 minutes, we will reach Kodar. In 1 hour, we will reach Surapet. Like that. Time increases, distance also will increase. Next into that, we have learned percentages. Percent means for every 100 out of 100. Okay, conversion of percentage to fraction, decimal ratio, whatever it may be. First one. Then inverse conversions also completed. Next, percentage of a quantity. Next, percentage of one quantity in terms of another one. Next, increase percent and decrease percentages. Okay, from textual also we discussed in the problems. I gave hints for all. Okay, tomorrow we will continue with the profit loss. Have a nice day. Bye.